What's up, girlfriends? Wes and Ray back again with another video. First off, let me say we're gonna ignore the fact that these 3 fingers don't have nails on them and just push through, okay? Because I have something so important to talk to you guys about. It's a Stallion Hair Company Edge Stabilizer. It's the Max Hold, okay? And when I tell you Max Hold, I mean Max Hold. So it's no secret that we're gonna be talking about baby hairs. This is the best edge control that I've ever tried in my life. Usually I use like Eco Styler gel, and sometimes I put a little edge control on there for like Max Hold. Never ever use like Gorilla Snot or Gotta Be Glued or anything like that, because it just sticks. My hair does not need that much hold, and it just pastes it down to my face to the point where I almost have to like scrape it off, and I feel like that damages my baby hairs. So I don't use that, but this is like literally the most gentle and effective thing that I've ever tried in my life. Now I will insert a clip right here and put the audio on it so that you guys can hear how much I loved it when I first tried it. Real quick, can I just say that I used the edge control from Stallion Hair Company for the first time today. Now, if you guys didn't hear that, that was my girl Angie in the background, just like completely supporting everything that I was trying to say on the video. So this is amazing. It's Black owned. This stuff is literally the truth. So it comes in like a little container like this. And as you can see, I have used the heck out of this. And so have my girlfriends, because we had like a girls' weekend, and it was yachts and beaches and jet skis and paddleboarding. Fun stuff, okay? So I had everybody come, everybody tried it, and they all loved it. As you can see here, this is my girlfriend Alex using the edge stabilizer, loving it. Baby hairs laying down, okay? Like, she had to pretend to be swooping because they were already laid on the first swoop. So I have this little edge brush, and right now my hair is kind of like in a very messy bun because I washed it last night, and I literally just plopped it on top of my head. I didn't put any like gel in it or anything. I just put some Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie and some macadamia natural oil in it, and just did like this and plopped it on top of my head. It's feeling all moisturized and stuff like that. I might spray some water on it in a little bit. So all I do is I take my edge stabilizer and my little edge brush that I cleaned out for the purpose of this video because it was looking so trashy, and I kind of just like dab it in there, okay, so that, you know, I get the product on the bottom of the bristles or the tip of the bristles. I wish I didn't have to hold this while I did this because I like using 2 hands. But I literally, you see, I don't know if you guys saw how easy that just laid down, but I just like swoop. I'm gonna do this part right here. Swoop. Swoop. And I'm not like a perfect baby hair type of girl at all, in the least bit. I like them to look very natural, which is another reason why I don't use those harder gels, because I just like it to look like, oh, you know, my baby hairs, I just woke up like this. No biggie. No biggie. Nothing's looking stiff. It all just kind of goes into the messy bun look. It just looks like, you know, nice and clean, cute. And remember, we're not doing the grown mama hairs, okay? We're doing the baby hairs, the little ones that come from outside of the front of your hair. And if you don't have those, you could really smooth down your edges. Just make sure you don't like swoop them onto your forehead. So how I do this part is kind of debatable sometimes. Sometimes, depending on where I part my hair or if I part my hair, I like to swoop it on the other side, but today I think I'm just gonna go classic with it. I'm not even backing it up with my fingers or anything. Like, this is all the edge control. So these are the hairs that we're putting down. I'm going to show you guys a product at the end of this video that can help you grow your baby hairs out, okay? So, very natural looking. You know, brush that up. Baby hair, boom. I like to just like run my finger across, just to make sure everything is like rubbed in and not looking crazy. I should get a little bit of that too, because that curl's trying to come up, mama. One swoop. So this natural like look is how I like to do my baby hairs. However, my friends have done some bomb hairstyles with theirs. I just don't do that with mine, and you guys know that because you follow me on Instagram, right? And you've seen those pictures where I don't have that. If not, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at WestIndieRay, and you'll see that it's simply not my style. Like, I'm not trying to cop you guys out and like not show you those things. I just don't do them for myself, and I don't have any interest on doing things that I don't do because A, not an expert, B, I do what I want. So 9 ingredients. The first ingredient is water, and it claims to smooth edges and hold well, keep styles long lasting and flake free, perfect for creating sleek styles, polished ponytails, and tapered cuts. You guys, this made a messy bun look polished. I love this stuff. I urge and encourage you to try it. I'll list the link in the description box below so that you can purchase it. But it, on top of the fact that it has a unicorn on it, I mean, it's like a stallion, but it's a unicorn on it, so it's like definitely meant for me. It's great stuff, and it's not colored. It doesn't have any like weird artificial colors in it. It's just plain clear. It doesn't really smell like anything. It's just like the perfect product for a sleek style and whatever style baby hairs that you want. It doesn't mess up what you got going on. I've worn it for days and reapplied, and it does not look flaky or dry or like gunky or anything like that. Last but not least, I know that I said that I was going to give you a couple tips on how to grow your edges or your baby hairs or make them fuller. A lot of times we suffer from, you know, breakage because of like weaves, or because we just don't take care of them, or even because of like ponytails and buns and stuff like that. So as you can see, my first tip, this is stuff that we already know, okay? But I don't know who's here, who's new, who doesn't know this stuff. First tip is to chill out on the tight ponytails and the weaves, okay? I've been wearing my hair in very loose buns lately. Even my slick buns are like not even really slick. They're just all my hair gathered to the side. I could do that now because I got hangs on. But if you don't, maybe try leaving your hair out. Maybe try, you know, putting on a head wrap or something like that. Something that doesn't cause tension on your hair, because once your baby hairs are gone, like sometimes it could take a while to get them back. Second tip, always, we already know this, Jamaican black castor oil. Why? Because everything Jamaican is the best. Hey, Jamaican black castor oil helped my mama grow her eyebrows back. It's like not a joke, okay? She overplucked them to this day, okay? To this day. But at one point, when she was determined to grow her eyebrows out, they helped her grow her eyebrows out, okay? So it works. It works for edges, it works for thickness in hair. I've used it for that before, even though my hair is super thick and I don't need that. I just wanted the big fro look. It helped my hair grow and all that. Love Jamaican black castor oil, okay? That stuff will help you grow your edges back. You don't have to use all these harmful chemicals or things like, you know, man-made things that, no, Jamaican black castor oil. Other thing, I got these lovely oils from another black-owned company called Dioka, okay? Dioka is amazing. Customer service amazing. Got my products so quick. And the girl who like runs it is just a gem. She's a sweetheart, and I could feel her energy from here, even though I don't know her personally. But she makes a hair oil, an argan oil, and a face oil. Love all three of these. I've used the hair oil the most because I just like having something to massage my scalp with, which brings me to my next thing. You're gonna do scalp massages to get your baby hairs and your edges back and strong, okay? But you have to lubricate them, okay? I like using the hair oil. There's a list of like, it's not on here. If it was on here, I would read it, but they go into detail about what is actually in this hair oil. But personally, I have experienced a lot more shine and luster, you know, in my hair since using this. And I'm using like very, very simple and basic products these days. But the hair oil is super, super good. It's very slick, so that your hair is like, you know, your fingers are lubricated when you're going in there, and you're not scraping your like sebum away and just damaging your follicle and all that. So you're gonna use your fingertips, circular motions, and get them edges back, okay? Also, like I said before, I love the face oil. I use it at night sometimes. You guys know I'm like a sucker for sweet almond oil, but sometimes I do change it with this. And the argan oil I use honestly on my hair and on my face. It all just depends on how I'm feeling that day, but honestly, this company is great, and I do urge you to look on their website and check it out. Just see if there's anything that you would like on there because they're very well priced and it's Black owned, and we always support that, right? Alright, so that pretty much makes up for the end of my video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I hope you guys are enjoying my blacklist of all things black, and just like, it's Black History Month at that, but aside from that, I started doing all this Black owned business stuff before that because I really care and I want to see us have shine. So I hope you guys are really like taking advantage of the information that I'm providing and actually seeking out and using these products over some of the other more well-known like brands, okay? Because these products, I'm not just doing it for my own health, I'm doing it because I think it'll help you guys too, because these products are all bomb, A, and B, it'll help our community as a whole. So it's Black History Month. Pick a couple things for my blacklist, order them, try them out, tell your friends about them. You guys know I love you. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Follow all my social media accounts right down there. Make sure you leave me a little unicorn in my comment section and come back for the next video. Love you.
Slim girls with them thick curls, shout out to my thick girls.